Hello everyone, I am Lewis. It's always a little while in between that I do vlogs because you never know when I can have the chance to do them because it's not going to go anywhere. I'm just doing the same thing day in, day out.
We will all be able to travel anywhere within Scotland for the purposes of outdoor socialising, recreation or informal exercise.
Trace our steps, we forget, but something's missing. You try to catch your breath, fall back and around in circles, and I'm just as tired as you.
The guy who owns that house was watching me just do awkward photo shoots outside his house. So I made it even more awkward by just shouting out, I hope you have a good Easter. So stay local. Never seemed like a big deal today, but to me, like, this is everything. Oh my god, there's a bird. Welcome back.
Come fly away with me. Imagine all the things that we could see. Yeah, don't you know that life's a dance? Come take my hand and fly